Hello guys, this is Andrew from andrewkisilu.com and welcome to my Viral Spark review. Now, Viral Spark is a new app that just launched recently. It actually launched about 2 or 3 hours ago before I made this video. And what it does is it enables you to leverage the power of viral content sharing, okay? Now, you'll be able to see step by step how you will be able to use a viral spark to grow your social media pages as well as make some commissions from it. Okay, now I will also be going through the sales page which I am on at the moment, as well as share with you the awesome bonus package I've put together for you guys, without forgetting to show you guys the upsells and downsells we have that Viral Spark has. Okay, now straight to the sales page, we can see the headline: revolutionary new software generates daily automated traffic, leads and commissions in just 60 seconds using free traffic. See the exact process we use to achieve this in the short video below. Go ahead and look at the video as well as part of the sales page. I'll just read through some parts of it. So massive traffic spikes, use our secret viral profit builder to bring in huge traffic. The second one is automated income runs on its own once you set it in motion. Sky high social engagement, viral sharing drives massive followers. Beginner friendly, you need zero tech skills or experience. Okay, now all of these, as I have gone through the product itself, these are true. The headline is not exaggerated at all, because you will be able to leverage the power of viral marketing or viral content sharing. Now, I want to share with you the bonus package I've put together for you guys. This is in place to help you get the most out of your Viral Spark experience. You can go shop around and see if there's anyone offering you some more high quality bonuses, and as I am offering you, and rest assured you'll get back to me and see that I am giving you the best value for your money. So once you click in any in the first link in the description below, you will go straight to my bonus page, where once you scroll to around here, you will see the bonuses I've put together for you. Okay, and anytime through this video, if you want to go and check out the sales page, just click any of these yellow buttons that you see beside me, as well as if you want to go ahead and just grab a Viral Spark, click any of those links, you will go straight to checkout. Okay, now the first bonus I'm giving you is the Fuego Breakout. Hands down, one of the best courses on how to leverage other people's audiences to bring in traffic to your offers or to your pages. Okay, so the Fuego Breakout is a course by Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong, and it will show you how to bring in traffic to your Viral Spark funnel. Okay, you're also going to get the second bonus, which is the Lost Code, another traffic masterpiece. It will show you how to bring in more traffic to your Viral Spark funnel. Okay, these two have enabled me to grow my know how to bring in traffic to my offers day in, day out. Okay, the third bonus is the secret weapon. Now we are getting into email marketing, because you'll be collecting leads as you gain followers. That's one of the powerful tools that Viral Spark has. So once you start getting the leads, you're getting about 500 leads for the front-end product, getting 500 followers, and in turn you get about 500 leads. You want to know what to tell them, how to speak with them, how to communicate with your subscribers to enable you to get the most out of them. Okay, now that is what you'll be getting in the secret weapon. The fourth bonus is how to make $350 per day sending emails. So this is kind of a case study showing you how to generate $350 per day sending emails. Okay, These emails have been generating money, and now you'll be getting the exact emails sent out to generate the money. You will be able to learn from them as well. The fifth bonus is the Profit Factory. This is also another paid course that I am offering to you guys absolutely free. If you click any of these buttons, that you can see any of these yellow buttons and go straight to checkout and buy it through my link, you will be getting the Profit Factory, which will show you how to leverage email marketing as well as bringing in traffic to your offers. Okay, now the other bonus is I'm going to put to give you guys all the bonuses the vendor has given access to me to offer and to give to my subscribers who buy through my link, which will be down in the description. Okay, now if anytime, remember you can click any of these at any time. Remember you can click any of these buttons, the yellow buttons, and go straight to checkout to buy Viral Spark. Now back to the sales page. I just want to explain to you a little bit about how Viral Spark works. So once you get to the sales page, you can run down below here. There is a demo video that will go step by step showing you how to go ahead and start using Viral Spark. Okay, so there is a demo video by Dana Shandoff here. Just get to where it says watch what Viral Spark can do for you. It explains how to use Viral Spark in by a step-by-step method. Okay, now how Viral Spark works is you get into the Viral Spark software. So you open the software by inserting your email, and you click on continue, or you go ahead and get into the software. Then you integrate your social media page. If you got the front-end product, you're able to integrate only one of the pages that you'll be offered. Maybe you want to go with YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest. You choose. Okay, the one that you really want to grow and maximize on. Once you've done that, now you're given some people you need to follow. Okay, once you follow these people, it goes ahead and shows you, what you should do next, how to promote it. It gives you a link, a unique link, that once you place that link in your social media pages and someone clicks on the link to get the Viral Spark software, they will be needed to input their email, which will be going into your account. It will be your email lead. Okay, and the person will also be following you in your social media page. And once they do that, now the link that you've shared has your hard-coded affiliate link inside. So if at any time the person who has gone through your link and has input their email address and goes ahead and is shown the sales page and decides to buy the Viral Spark software, you will be getting a commission out of every sale they make. Okay, now that is how the Viral Spark software works. It leverages the power of all the social media pages, and it enables you to make a profit even when you're not actively promoting it. Okay, now to the upsells. Let's go back to my bonus page. The upsells and downsells, the funnel in short. So when you come to my bonus page and check out the upsells, you will see that the front end product will be going for $22. Currently, as I make this video, it's at $20. So I would like you guys, as soon as possible, you've seen my review, just go ahead and check out if it has the price has gone up from $20, because I want you guys to get Viral Spark at the lowest price possible. Okay, what the front-end product has, it creates viral landing pages, just as I've explained to you. Okay, the landing pages actually convert very well. They've been tried and tested over and over again. So you rest assured, once you start driving some traffic into that landing page, it will be converting very well. Okay, The second thing is it generates followers to your social media. Members follow others' profiles. Okay, so once you're a member of the Viral Spark, you're presented with the people to follow. Just as I told you, once you start going through the process, you've put your email, you've been presented with a number of accounts. Now you start following other members and growing their accounts at the same time as yours is growing. The other thing is it presents self-liquidating offers, which is the sales page. It will enable you to make some commissions from any sale you make or your lead buys. Okay, it integrates with one social media platform, just as I told you. 500 followers equals 500 leads. Creates a wave of traffic and you build your list on autopilot. That's the front-end product. The first upsell is the OTO1 Max at $37. You get all the front-end features. In addition, you get enhanced ability to download leads, integration with 4 social media platforms instead of 1. Okay, now you're able to integrate your YouTube, your Twitter, your Pinterest, okay, your Instagram, all at the same time. So you're able to leverage a wider audience. And you're also going to get access to about 1,000 followers to 1,000 leads. Okay, so in the front-end product, once you get to 500 followers, it can no longer allow you to go ahead. You need to upgrade. Okay, the second upsell is the OTO2, which is a $37 product as well, and it's the Viral Spark Club. Okay, it's unlimited followers and subscribers. The third upsell is the agency rights. Now you're able to resell Viral Spark as your own. Okay, if you need to get any of these upsells, just go ahead and go with OTO1, which to me is an absolute blast. Okay, it's going to give you good value for your money if you really have to go ahead and upgrade. Okay, if you don't, it's okay, because what you're getting in the front-end product is actually enough to get you up and running. Now, that will be it for this video, guys. I hope you will be able to take action on Viral Spark. Remember, if you want to get my exclusive bonus package as well as buy through my link, just go down in the description. The first link in the description below will take you straight to this page where you'll find any of these yellow buttons. Just click on them and they'll take you straight to the sales page. Thank you for your time to check out my review video, and see you on the inside. Cheers.